Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I hope you guys are safe and sound and you're wearing gloves and mask while doing the shopping. I bought the CVS matchups for you guys for the coming week, September 13th till September 19th. So rather than wasting more time of yours, let's go to deals one by one. So first deal is on Aleve. Aleve, this is going to be spend 20, get $7 extra bucks, and you will buy 3 Aleve 40 counts. So there is nothing excluded in this. All Aleves count towards it. So if you'll buy 3 40 counts Aleves, they will be $8.49, and then you can use 3 coupons for $4 from Smart Source for the coming week that we are going to get it. And I had a $2 off Aleve CRT, that's why I counted that, and $5 of $20 Aleve CRT as well. So using those 3 coupons and these 2 CRT reduce the total to $6.47, and you will get back $7 extra bucks, making it free of cost. So if you have those coupons and those CRTs, don't forget to combine them. That will reduce your total as well. Let's go to next deal. So next deal is Progresso. Progresso soap, usually we don't get deal, but this week it is 2 for 4, but the coming week it is going to be better. So next week it will be 2 for $3, and when you buy 2 you will get back $1 extra bucks. So you can buy 2 Progresso soups. There I believe, because it's not mentioned about organic, so I'm not sure whether they are included or not. Then be ready that I will update you on on Sunday. You can see my haul and you will notice that. So buy 2 Progresso soup, get $3 for $3, and when you pay for 2 you'll get back $1 extra bucks, making it $2 for both of them with a limit of 1. So Halls drops 24 count to 80 count with a limit of 1. Buy 1 get 1 50% off, and when you buy 2 you will get back $2 extra bucks. Buy 2 Halls 24 count, 2 they were marked as $2.79 at my store, so total will be $4.18, and when you pay $4.18 you will get back $2 extra bucks. Final price for both of them will be $2.18, so making them $1.09 for each of them. So Colgate is going to be $3.49. It includes Colgate Optic White 4.2 ounce, 2-in-1 4.6 ounce, max 6 ounce. Total 4.4 ounce or 4.8 ounce. These are included in that, and when you buy 2 you will get back $4 extra bucks. So this scenario is without any CRT. So if you have $2, if you will buy 2 Colgate Optic White, $3.49 for each one of them. Then there is a coupon on CVS app that you can send to your cart for $4 of 2. That reduces the total to $2.98. You'll get back $4 extra bucks, making it $1 moneymaker. There is another scenario as well. Let's go to that one. Another scenario is buy 2 get $4 extra bucks. Same scenario, but in this one you will buy 4 Colgate Optic White, and this is only if you have Colgate CRT, that is more than $6. So you can buy 4 of the Optic Whites. You can use $4 of 2 CVS app send to cart coupon, and 2 coupons from the Smart Source of August 30th. That might be expiring this Sunday, but you can still use it because sometimes they work. Like I have used L'Oreal coupon last week and Garnier coupons. They worked literally well. So I will definitely suggest to give it a shot. Then use your $3 of 10 Colgate CRT or $3 of $12 Colgate CRT, whichever you have. You can go till $14 in this one. And if you go, then you will reduce your total to $4.96. You will get back $8 extra bucks. Final price will be free and $3 moneymaker. The next deal is on Gillette Venus Razor, in which you will buy 1 get $5 extra bucks. And buy 1 razors, they were $9.99 because they exclude the Gillette 3, 5 and disposables. So you don't have to take that one, but other razor are included. And there is $2 off coupon from P&G, and there is $3 of $10 Venus Gillette CRT. So use those two coupon and CRT, that reduce your total to $4.99, and you will get back $5 extra bucks, making it final cost as free. Next deal is on Schick Disposable. Schick Disposable is going to be $5.99 each, but this excludes the Extreme 8 count, Hydro, and Fab 3 count. So this is it includes Skintimate or Schick Extreme 3 as shown in the photograph. So when you buy one for $5.99 and when you spend $15, you will get back $5 extra bucks. Buy 3 Schick Disposable razors, each one of them $5.99. Use 3 coupons from the coming Smart Source, or there might be a better coupon that come off as a surprise on CVS app that you can look on on the Sunday morning, but it's not showing in the ad currently, but usually it comes like $7 off 2 or $4 off 1, something like that. Then I am planning to use $3 off $12 Schick CRT. That reduces my total to $5.97. I will roll $5.97 in extra bucks and get back $5 extra bucks, making it 97 cents for all Schick disposables. That is, I think, a decent deal to do. So next is L'Oreal Cosmetics. L'Oreal Cosmetics is going to be spend $15, get $5 extra bucks, limit of 3. So I plan to buy 3 mascaras. They were $9.99 at my store, I remember, and I will use $10 off 30 L'Oreal Cosmetics CRTs. Then in our Retail Me Not, coming Retail Me Not, we are getting $2.50 coupon. I will use 2 of them. And then last week we got $4 off L'Oreal Instant coupon, and I believe this week also we will get $4 off L'Oreal Mystery coupon. That will reduce the total to $7. I will roll off $7 and get back $10 extra bucks, making it $3 money maker. Plus this counts toward beauty, so total will be $30. That will also come $3 as a money maker. So it will be $6 money maker if you do this planning. Let me know in comments if you have any other scenarios. If you don't have that $10 off $30 L'Oreal CRT, I can definitely try to help you. Next is Garnier Facial Care. Garnier Facial Care is going to be buy 2, get $5 extra bucks. So I plan that we will buy 2 Garnier Micellar Water because I had a CRT of $5 off $20 Garnier Facial Care. But if you don't have that CRT, you can go for facial mask. That is makeup removers. That can also count towards that. The coupon will work on that, and Micellar CRT also work on that. So after using the 5 off 20 Garnier CRT and then using $2 off Garnier from coming Retail Me Not and $2 off Micellar Water CRTs, that reduces my total to $7. I will get back $4 extra bucks, making $2 for both of them, making $1 for each of them. So most infamous scenario this week is going to be spend 30, get $10 extra bucks. Huggies pull-ups this week is buy 1 get 1 50% off, and when you buy 2 pull-ups they will be $20.98. And Tide Pods are $4.94, they are also included, and laundry detergent is also included, $5.94. So I'm planning to use a CVS app coupon. You can use that. For Huggies it is $3 off $2, and for Tide Pod it is $2, and liquid I believe it is going to be $3, but it may vary. And then I have a $3 off diaper CRT, $3 off $15 baby CRT as well. I combine all of them, that will reduce my total to $17.86. I will get back $10 extra bucks. Final price will be $7.86. Then I will submit my receipt to Ibotta, and I will get back $2, $1 each for Huggies, and then for Fetch Rewards, it will give 3,000 points for each one of them. I did not receive it last time, but if you have that, don't forget to do this deal. That will be decent. Like it will be $0 out of pocket. That is I think good deal to do. So if you have those CRTs, don't forget to combine them. Thanks guys. Thank you for watching it. Really appreciate your time. And if you haven't, subscribe my channel yet, please subscribe it. And if you're looking for more scenarios and more deal, let me know. If you have any other CRTs, any other specific deal that you're looking for, let me know in the comments. Thank you.